Welcome, and today we learn about access mode in persistent volume. So there are four access mode: read write once, read write many, read only many, and read write one pod. So these access mode which are very important. So first we'll learn this access mode: read write once. So what is read write once? Read write once, only one node can read and write to the storage. It is very good when all the pods run on the single node, and it is not suitable if your pod is run on the multiple node at the same time. So only one machine can use this storage. So there is a good video of it. So read write once, only one machine uses the storage. So if this is one node and this is a node 2, this is a node 01 and this is the node 02. It's a node 02 and these are the pods. It is the persistent volume. So if this is the case, then only the node 1 pods can, in this case only node 1 pod can use these two pod can use this persistent volume, and this is not allowed because so only one pod can only one machine uses this storage. So this PV is not available to this node or a machine. So there is another mode that is read write many. So here it can be available to both or many nodes and everyone can read and write. This is a read write many. Read only max ROX means here everyone can read but no one can write, means only read not write. Okay, and here read write once pod. So this is the same scenario, but in addition to this only a single pod can use. This is not available to this. So here also only one is node 1 means only one pod can access this, and this scenario sometime is applicable. So read write many nodes can read and write to the storage together. Useful when you have a multiple pod running on a different node sharing the same data, often used with NFS EFS, and thinking everyone can use the storage with the same time. Read only many, here many node can read the storage but no one can write it into it. Perfect when you want data to be visible to everyone but no one can change. So everyone can look it into it but no one can edit it. And read write once, only one pod, not entire node, can read and write. Even if the multiple pods are run on the same node, only one pod get the access. So only one child in the family can use the storage. So if I put analogy together, so look at this scene. So this is so look at the scene. This small infant get the access to the PV, not the bigger sister or elder sister. In read only many, you can assume this is a theater scenario where every family goes to the theater, so everyone can able to watch movies but no one can edit movies or do something else. Here in read write once, you will see that one family can have access to the papa but another family don't because he is not committed to that family. And read write many can assume as a grandparent with the two family can all the pods can play together with the grandparent. So it is like this. So I tried to explain it, but I think I will make another video to explain it very clearly. But time being, these are very simple things, but these modes are depend on the one more point to be noted, that this access mode is depend on the volume plugin. So it is predefined with the volume plugin. If it is supported, then only we can use the below or this access mode. So if the volume plugin is different, you should use the supported access mode only with the that volume plugin. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet with a demo in next video session.